Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this simple but yet looking stylish cutwork designing with this simple technique. So let's quickly start with the markings. Take any square shape of cardboard piece and mark the center, and from that center mark two diagonal lines like this to create the triangle shape, which is of equilateral triangle. Now I'll be cutting on these two lines, and this is how it looks. Using this we'll give the markings on the fabric for the creating of the neckline, also on the sleeves. Mark the margin line for the reference and place this triangle shape. Accordingly we have to give the markings of this shape. Now leave the little gap, also mark the same triangle shape, and this is how on the complete sleeve, also on the neckline, we have to give the markings. This is so simple and easy designing that no ari or the Maggam work pattern, no normal stitching, but we can create this design easily using the technique which I am showing. You can try this for your old blouses to turn into new, which will really gives an elegant look. Also you can try this cutwork designing on the plain sarees of creating borders, or else pallu designing complete. Here I'd be using glitter cone of Fevicryl band which is of gold color, and like this we have to give the borders lining with this cone. These cones are available in different shades of glitters. Gold, silver and bronze will really gives a rich look. And I'm also creating the border with this line, and this will take almost 1 hour to dry. Once dried, this is how it looks. Now I'll be using Fevicryl fabric glue to fill in this triangle shape. This will make the cutwork pattern designing, which is so simple with the clean and neat finishings, and will not left the burning marks on the fabric like black color once the fabric burnt. Let it set for dry, and this is dried. Now I'll be using dhoop stick for the burning. You can also use mosquito coil or else shouldering iron for the burning, but here I am using dhoop stick, and ensure that the corners had burnt evenly because the perfection will reflect, so we need to concentrate on these things. Little by little, first of all we need to burn at the corners like this, and remaining the center part has to be removed. As I said before in the beginning of the video, this is so simple pattern and no sewing project, which you can try for your old blouses to recreate into new designer blouse. It will look simple, but if you wear it, it will really gives a stylish look. So each and every triangle has to be burnt in this way only to create the cutwork pattern. Try these innovative creative patterns which will really gives nice look. If you are the fashion lovers, you must try these patterns because these patterns are really very much trending right now. And it's a requested video from one of my subscriber. Want to make this pattern without putting much efforts, and the result is in front of you. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications whenever I upload without missing it. Until then, see you all. Bye for now.